Hi, good morning. Let us discuss the part of speech noun today. So, as we know, there are 8 part of speech, that is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So, this noun is the first part of speech, and as we know, every sentence, especially the simple structures, that structures having one subject and one finite verb as predicate, we call it simple sentence or simple structure. That means under 3 tenses, present, past, future, 4 forms: simple, progressive, perfect, perfect progressive, 2 voices, that is active and passive. Under each tense form we can make active voices sentences as well as passive voice sentences. All these kind of sentences or structures are simple structures, and simple structures are broadly divided into 2 parts: the subject part and the predicate part. This noun is used. Noun has got many words. To count the works of a noun, noun has got 5 works to do in a sentence. First work noun does in a sentence is that noun can be subject to any finite verb in a sentence. Second work of noun is that noun can be object to any transitive verb in a sentence. Third work of noun is that noun can be used as a complement to any intransitive verb in a sentence. Fourth work of noun is that noun can be used as an object to a preposition in a sentence. The fifth work of a noun is that noun can be used in apposition, not opposition, apposition to another noun in a sentence. These are the 5 works that a noun does or can do in a sentence. So let us understand one by one. When we discuss a simple structure, as I said, under 3 tenses, 4 forms, 2 voices, we can make simple sentences. That sentence or structure consisting one subject, one finite verb. Subject must be a noun or pronoun. Similarly, as we said, the second work of noun is that noun can be object to any transitive verb. So nouns can be used as subject as well as object. Third work, it does the work of complements. If the sentence consists of an intransitive verb, then the complement we need, or we can understand it like this: there are verbs. You see, the simple structure is that subject plus v1 form is present simple, subject plus v2 is past simple, subject plus will plus v1 is future simple. Similarly, subject plus is or am or are plus v4 is present progressive or present continuous. Subject plus was or were plus v4 form of a verb is also known as present participle. So subject, any noun or pronoun, plus was or were plus v4 form of any verb, we make past progressive or continuous sentences. Future sentence, we make any noun or pronoun as subject, plus will, which is a modal verb, plus be, it is the main helping verb. There are 3 main helping verb: be, have and do. For future progressive, we use the helping verb be in addition to the modal helping verb will, then again v4 form of the main verb. For present perfect, we use any noun or pronoun as subject, then we use the helping verb have or has. If the subject is third person singular, instead of have we take has. In all other cases it's have. The helping verb is have plus V3. Subject plus have or has plus V3. Present perfect. For past perfect the subject must be a noun or pronoun plus had the V2 form of have, then V3. Future perfect, the present perfect becomes future perfect by addition of will, or the structure is known as subject plus will plus have plus V3. Present perfect progressive, subject plus have or has. If the subject is third person singular number, instead of have we take has. So subject plus have or has plus been, which is the V3 form of the helping verb be. Be was been, it is V3 form. So subject plus have or has plus been plus V4. For past perfect progressive or continuous, subject a noun or pronoun plus had, which is the V2 form of have, which is a helping verb, plus been, the V3 form of be. Be was been, this been V3 is taken there, plus V4 form of the main verb. Present perfect progressive or present perfect continuous becomes future perfect continuous or progressive by the addition of will, which is a modal helping verb. So the structure goes like subject plus will plus have plus been plus V4. These are the basic structures. All these structures are in their active voices. If the verb used is a transitive verb, and in all these sentences if we take a transitive verb, play, eat, speak, these are transitive verbs, and another noun or pronoun we take as object to the transitive verb, then those sentences under all the tenses and forms can be converted to passive voice. So subjects are nothing but noun or pronoun. Object, if the verb of the active voice is transitive and we need to take an object, the object must be a noun or pronoun. If the active voice finite verb is intransitive and we need to take a noun or pronoun to complete the predication, because in many cases it is possible that the finite verb technically make a sentence, but it may not give complete sense, because definition of sentence is that a group of words giving complete sense is a sentence. If the subject plus finite form of a verb do not give a complete sense, then that verb is said to be a verb of incomplete predication. So to complete that predication or predicate, to have a complete meaning of the predicate, we need to take some other part of speech. If we take a noun or pronoun to complete the predication in case of such intransitive verbs or verbs of incomplete predication, then we say that noun or pronoun as complement, because it helps completing the predication. That's why the noun or pronoun along with an intransitive verb or a verb of incomplete predication is known as complement. So noun first work does the work of subject, second with a transitive verb, with any finite verb we must have a noun or pronoun as subject. With any transitive verb used transitively, we have to have a noun or pronoun as object to the transitive verb. So if the verb is third work of a noun is that if the verb is, or the finite verb is intransitive or incomplete predication, verb of incomplete predication, we may have other part of speech also as a complement, but we can have or we may have a noun or pronoun as complement to complete the predication. The fourth work of a noun is that nouns can be used as object to prepositions. That means the definition of preposition is that a word used, or preposition is a word which is used with a noun or pronoun. Some author says before a noun or pronoun, but I don't follow that. I consider it, or I understand it, that preposition is a word which is used along with a noun or pronoun, or with a noun or pronoun, to relate that noun or pronoun with some other part of speech in the sentence, or some other part of the sentence. This noun used with preposition is said to be, in grammatical sense, object of that preposition. This noun or pronoun used with the preposition is said to be the object of that preposition. So no preposition exists without a noun or pronoun being used as its object. So this is the fourth work of a noun. Nouns can be used as object to prepositions in sentences. The fifth work, that nouns can be used as, or used in opposition to another noun. For example, if we say we made Ram our captain. So here Ram is a noun, captain is a noun. It's a simple sentence, past simple, subject plus V2. We made Ram our captain. Our is obviously a possessive pronoun, but here it is used as possessive adjective because it is modifying captain. So this captain and Ram are the same person. Captain and Ram both represent one person. So in this situation, the second noun captain is said to be in opposition to the first noun Ram. The sentence is, we made Ram our captain. Ram is a noun, captain is a noun. In such situation, when we use two nouns to represent one person, place or thing, the second noun is said to be, or understood to be, in opposition to the first noun. So these are the 5 works a noun does or can do in a sentence. This much for today. Thank you so much.